Oh my god, look at the view, bro.
Get up.
I want to touch the snow so
There's
bad.
people out there. No license plates that I'm showing. Okay, I'm not showing any license plate. I'm brother. I don't care. No, they're coming. They're coming. Who is this people?
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel.
No, what are these people doing for real though?
They're putting salt.
Oh.
So the snow can melt so we can go home.
Oh, yeah, salt does not melt soap though. Or no, it does. This is weird. I'm scared what's gonna happen.
It dissolves soap.
It's a snowstorm.
It's like a snowstorm. Like, look at the bottom.
Bro,
So pretty.
there's a bunch of snow. Yeah, that's weird. Okay. Enjoy. Here's a glance.